Maavybooks, adding new business in Maavybooks. Maavybooks make it easy to manage multiple businesses from one place. In this video, we will learn how to add new business to our working business dashboard. Start by logging into Maavybooks. Here, enter your username and password and click on Sign In to enter business homepage. You can manage multiple members as team also. Here, I am logging in as admin. We have now reached business homepage. We will now start by adding a new business. Click on Add Business button to add new business. Free plan include access to one business. If you want to add more businesses, you can switch to paid plans as well. We are here in Register New Business page. Here we have to enter the basic details of our business including business name, phone, email, GSTIN number, license number, address, city and state. You can also enter details like business type, category, subcategory and website here. This will help to connect businesses with same interest better. Share ID is one of the advanced and most interesting features introduced in Maavybooks. Using Share ID, we can instantly share and record business notes of cash, bank, incomes, expenses, sales, purchases, and returns in no time. And that too with ease saving time and effort for businesses. Share ID is an unique ID used to share notes and invoices within the businesses connected to Maavybooks network. We will discuss further about this in detail. Business name, phone, email, and GSTIN number along with address, city, and state are printed in the business notes and invoices that can be printed or shared using Share ID. Although you don't have to enter all these details. But entering business name, email, and share ID is must to complete the registration process. Once entered, you can check all the details and click on Update Business Info button to complete entering your business registration process. After registration, you will be redirected to business home page. From here, you can start working and recording business transactions. Also, you can edit your existing business information or view financial analysis of your business, and along with it, can manage your team for your business. We will discuss about all these in the upcoming videos. Hope this video helped you understand how to add new business to Maavybooks. Happy accounting journey!